You search for how to buy shares of Jupiter Mines Ltd, listed as JMS.ASX on CBOE AUS. Jupiter Mines is an Australian iron ore and minerals company, and this video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy JMS.ASX, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker JMS.ASX to find Jupiter Mines. Make sure you select the JMS.ASX listing on CBOE AUS to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart for Jupiter Mines. Confirm the company description and exchange to ensure this is the correct JMS.ASX share. Tap Buy or Invest. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, your order will be recorded as pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completion. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.